Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to get big text on the Discord. So this is the simple and easy method to try this. So watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the Discord right here. Once you will do it, simply update your Discord mobile application. Once you will do it, after that go back and open your Discord and log into your account. Then you have to open someone chat box to whom you want to send a big text. So as you can see, I have sent this to one of my friend. Simply you have to open the message prompt, and right here you have to first of all place hash, then you have to give a space, then you have to write the text you want to see in the big. So big is here, hash, then space, then big is here, then simply send it. As you can see, this message is sent as big text on the Discord. So this is the simple method to do it. You can try it on your Discord. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.